Welcome. If you've ever posted a photo on Instagram and wished you had the original saved to your device, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you how to automatically save your original photos every time you post on Instagram. This quick update will make sure you never lose your best shots, even after you share them with your followers. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account where you want to save your photos. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This is the menu icon. Tap it to open up a list of options. From here, scroll down and select Archiving and Downloading. This section is where you'll find all the settings related to saving and managing your posts. Inside the Archiving and Downloading menu, look for the option that says Save Original Photos. You'll see a toggle switch right next to it. Go ahead and turn this switch on. Once it's enabled, Instagram will automatically save a copy of every photo you post directly to your device's gallery or camera roll. This means you'll always have access to the original, high-quality version of your photos, even if you delete them from Instagram later. That's all it takes. With this simple setting, you can keep your memories safe and organized without any extra effort. No more searching through old folders or worrying about losing your favorite pictures. Every time you share a moment on Instagram, the original will be right there on your phone, ready to use however you like. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips on making the most of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching and happy posting.